What is a sales funnel? I'm going to show you right now. My name is Judd Albring, and what is a sales funnel? So I'm going to break down what is a sales funnel for how I use sales funnels online. And now you can apply this obviously to pretty much any business out there, but I build a lot of funnels online for clients and for myself, and this is how I break it down for them when I'm showing them what is the process that I'm going to take them through online. So let's take a quick look here. I'm going to kind of show you. So you got different, right? You see the funnel kind of getting smaller. Don't make fun of my drawing here. All right, so that's a funnel, right? It's not a pretty funnel, but nonetheless, it's a funnel. It's not a pyramid scheme, it's a funnel. All right, guys, so the first phase of the funnel, right, is awareness, is the marketing. Now, this can take place anywhere. This can take place simply handing out flyers on the street, right, if you're a local business owner. But typically what we see in online marketing is Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube, anything like that. So we're building awareness of our product, of our services, what we do. It could be an image ad, a video, and we're getting them to know us, right? Because at this point, these are cold, most likely cold leads. They don't know anything about us. We want to get them to know us. So when they find what we're offering them is, of interest to them, of value to them, they're going to see our ad, whatever it may be. And again, I'm talking from an online marketing perspective. They're going to see our ad, they're going to click it, and then the next phase is going to be interest, okay? So they're aware, now they're interested in what we have, and they're going to go to an opt-in page. And here on the Optin Page is where we're going to provide them with some value, something they need, right? They're aware of us, and let's use this as an example. Typical would be like a dentist. Okay, so a dentist is advertising online, and they say, half off teeth whitening. Okay, now I'm aware of this dentist in my area. I'm interested in this half off, so I'm going to fill in my information on the opt-in part of the funnel. I'm going to give them my email, my name, and my phone number, and they're going to send me a coupon, whatever. Okay, so typically people are not taking action right away. Most people, I don't know about you, but I fill out my email for stuff all the time. But if somebody doesn't remind me of it, I'm not really going to do anything. I'm not going to get that email, rush right over to the dentist. Okay, I'm going to be like, oh, great. So now, this part of the funnel is the decision, right? Getting that person to make the decision. So as the marketer, we need to keep sending them emails, right? And this is where we set up an email automation. So let me recap. They are aware of us through an ad. They go to the second part of the funnel, which means they're interested. So they opt in. They give us their information, which is a great sign. We're not selling them anything yet. Then the decision is we help them make the decision by sending a series of email automation, text automation, or voice drops. So we're setting up emails. They could be like urgency emails. We only have 10 left, or an offer ends this day, blah, blah, blah. Then, of course, the action is they finally take action and make the phone call or set up something online to come in, or if it's a physical product, they actually click the button and buy the product. So let me recap. Awareness is the top part of the funnel through our advertising. Second part of the funnel is they're interested now, so they give us their information, they opt in, and I'm going to show you an opt-in page here in 1 second, so stick around. The decision-making process, we help them along by setting out a series of emails, and then action, they take action by us creating urgency through those emails, and then they buy our service or a product or come in to our location, okay? Now, what you have to be aware of is if you're marketing online, let's say this ad, let's say the ad's shown to 1,000 people, but 100 people are actually interested, okay? And then out of that 100, 10, right? Let's just say, skip this, this is kind of hand in hand, but 10 would actually take action. So, right, when you think of a funnel, if you look down here, right, as all these are me, this is me drawing people. Let's try this. Is this better? Okay, let's try a bigger one. Okay. Oh, that's an eraser. All right, here we go. Okay, so boom, all these people, right, they're all coming in the funnel. yay, we're so excited, you're giving us free stuff, this is so cool, this is so cool. And then here, this part of the funnel, you know, a couple people kind of dropped off, and then boom, down here, right, we have our true believers, okay? That's where the money's made. And if you've never heard this before, right, look at this part here. The fortune is in the follow-up. So the email portion of this funnel, to me, is the most important. Obviously, you got to get them in the door, but once you get them in the door, right, you're only going to have a handful that are truly serious. We got to remind them. We got to keep them coming in, okay? That is a sales funnel, guys. Let me build one for you in about 2 seconds. This is ClickFunnels software. If you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, I'm going to show you here. So this is how I would build a funnel for a client. I would simply go into ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels can do your membership sites, it can do your emails, it can do your online courses, webinars, you name it. Everything's in here. So I'm doing a basic opt-in funnel. So now the awareness part is not in the funnel part because we're creating the ads. But here's step 2 in the funnel. This is creating an opt-in. Now the great thing about ClickFunnels is I have all these pre-made templates. So let's do... I like this guy. This is cool. What's this? All right, we're just going to select this template because he's a good-looking dude. All right. And then maybe people think that's me. I don't know. All right. Now, I'm going to go here. I'm going to edit this page. I'm not going to go too detailed. I have other videos you can watch on how to actually use ClickFunnels, but I just want to show you how this fits into the actual funnel. So this is step 2, right? What did I say? Forgetting my own, right? So the interest, the opt-in. So this is what an opt-in page looks like. So we'll preview it, and let's say you're on Facebook and you're scrolling down and you see something, oh, this looks cool, I like this. You click on it, boom, here's your opt-in. Welcome to the home of Mr. Funnel, and this is where you'd put your lead magnet. This is where you'd say, get my free ebook, get my free download, get half off my yoga classes, come in for a 20-minute free massage for a consultation, and then boom, they put in their email, and click now. It automatically sends them to the free gift you promised them, and then it puts them down into the funnel. Now we get down into the decision phase. This is going to trigger a series of emails to get them to take action, right? And then ultimately get them to purchase. And you can see here in ClickFunnels, all this stuff can boom. With the click of a button, I can change this image. You know, with a click of a button, I can change, you know, text. I can do whatever I want. So this is the power of funnels. Now, what's cool about this is if you look at this, I don't want to save that. This has already built out the funnel for me. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to link anything. I don't have to do any coding. It already has an opt-in page. It already has a thank you page. And all I have to do to add my email sequence is to simply, come on, Internet, talk to me. All right, is simply go up to settings, integration, and then over here, integration, I've already got all my email providers here. I'd add my MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, boom. I build my automation in there, I link it to here, and it just goes out. I don't have to do anything. Everything's on autopilot. So that is what a sales funnel is. That is how you build a sales funnel in less than 5 minutes and trigger the automation. Guys, if you want to learn more about how to build sales funnels, you can sign up for a free trial of ClickFunnels. Plus, when you do that, email me. I'll put my information down there. I'll send you some emails. And I will send you a free course on how to get started doing ClickFunnels and how to do all this. So sign up for your free trial now. It's 14 days free. You're going to love it. Take care.